Decreasing gas mileage can be frustrating, and it can result from various factors. Here are some common reasons why your gas mileage might be going down. Tire issues. 1. Underinflated tires. Tires that aren't properly inflated can create more rolling resistance, which forces your engine to work harder and use more fuel. 2. Wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear and increased resistance, both of which reduce fuel efficiency. 3. Engine problems. Dirty air filter. A clogged air filter can reduce airflow to the engine, causing it to work harder and consume more fuel. Worn spark plugs. Spark plugs that are old or worn out can misfire, leading to inefficient fuel combustion. 4. Oxygen sensor issues. A failing oxygen sensor can send incorrect data to the engine's computer, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture and reduced fuel economy. 5. Driving habits. Aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration, speeding, and hard braking can significantly reduce your fuel efficiency. 6. Frequent short trips. Engines use more fuel when cold, so frequent short trips where the engine doesn't reach optimal operating temperature can lower your mileage. 7. Maintenance neglect. Old engine oil. Not changing your engine oil regularly can cause your engine to run less smoothly and use more fuel. Ignoring regular tune-ups. Skipping regular maintenance can lead to a variety of issues that reduce fuel efficiency. 8. Faulty fuel injectors. Leaking or clogged injectors. Fuel injectors that aren't working properly can cause an incorrect fuel-air mixture, which reduces efficiency. If you're experiencing a noticeable drop in gas mileage, it may be worth having your vehicle inspected by a professional to diagnose and address any underlying issues.